Hi friends, good morning everyone. Now let us know the English grammar. The English medium was made especially for them. If we have part A in the exam, then English is from 11 to 15 question. 5 questions are 5 marks. Let's find out what they look like. Before that, the subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's go into the topic. Take a careful and look at understand the English grammar. I was invited by Reddies. Identify the correct article to fill in the blanks. Option 1 A, option 2 an, option 3 the, option 4 no article. The correct answer is option 3. Answer the 11th one. Kavita has a passion dash dancing. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Option 1 for, option 2 with, option 3 to, option 4 from. The right answer is option 1. The right answer is for. 13th question. It dash for decades since we got independence. Option A, option 1 is, option 2 was, option 3 has been, option 4 had been. The right answer is option 1 is. 14. Rajini said we are all mortals. Choose the suitable indirect speech. Option 1. Rajini said that we were all mortals. Rajini said that we have been all mortals. Option 3. Rajini said that we are almost mortals. Option 4. Rajini said that we would all be mortals. The right answer 3. Rajini said that we are almost mortals. 15th question. The mother asked Ben what he had got. Choose the suitable direct speech. Write down the direct speech. Option 1. What did you get, Ben? Question mark. Option 2. What have you got, Ben? What do you get, Ben? What had you got, Ben? The right answer option 2. What have you got, Ben? The second was 11th question. Yesterday, European called at my office. Identify the correct article to fill in the blank. Option 1 A, option 2 an, option 3 the, no article. The right answer option 3 the. 11th 12th question. Raju goes to school dash foot. Fill in the blank with right preposition. Option 1 by, option 2 on, option 3 with, option 4 from. The right answer option 2 on. 13th question. The lion dash at her when she was gathering the sticks. Option 1 pounces was, pouncing, pounced has pounced. Option 3 pounced. My brother would wake up. Choose the correct passive voice. Option 1. I am to be woken up by my brother. Option 2. I will be woken up by my brother. Option 3. I would be woken up by my brother. Option 4. I would have been woken up by my brother. The right answer option 3. I would be woken up by my brother. 15th question. Tea is being made by her. Choose the correct active voice. She was making tea. She is making a tea. Option 3, she has been making tea. Option 4, she will be making a tea. The right answer option 2, she is making tea. The next paper, 11th question. Dash beauty of Nur Jahan is famous all over the world. Fill in the blank with right word. Option 1 A, option 2 N, option 3 D, no article. The right answer is option D. 12th question. Vijeta is key has dash his success. Option 1 for, option 2 at, option 3 to, option 4 by. 13th, the right answer 3. Option 3, the right answer 2. Option 13. The collector and district magistrate dash a good officer. Option 1 is, option 2 are, option 3 were, option 4 has. The right answer option 1 is. 14th. Did he invite you? Choose the correct passive voice. Option 1, you are not invited. Option 2, you are not invited. Option 3, are you invited by him? Option 4, were you invited by him? The right answer option 4, were you invited by him? The 15th question, the book has been written by him. Choose the correct active voice to above sentences. Option 1, he had written the book. He written the book. He has returning the book. Option 4, he has returned the book. The right answer, he has returned the book. The next page was open. 12th question. Mr. Mario Joseph has the reputation being a good math teacher. Fill in the blank with proper preposition. Option 1 of, option 2 for, option 3 at, after, option 4 in. The right answer option 1 of. 12th question. He neglects attending church thought church is only a few yards away from his house. Fill in the blank with the right article. Option 1 A, option 2 N, option 3 D, no article. The right answer is 3. Option 3 D. 13th question. Many a man dash after fame. Use the right option to fill in the blanks. Option 1 run, option 2 runs, option 3 are running, option 4 have been running. The right answer option 2 runs. The 14th question. Our troops must have attacked the enemy. Choose the correct passive voice. Option 1, the enemy could have been attacked by our troops. Option 2, the enemy should have been attacked by our troops. Option 3, the enemy must have been attacked by our troops. Option 4, our enemy must be attacked by our troops. The right answer option 3, the enemy must have been attacked by our troops. The 15th question. A letter was being penned by me. Option 1, I am penned a letter. I have been penning a letter. I was penning a letter. I might be penning a letter. The right answer option 3, I was penning a letter. The next paper was open 11th, 12th, 10th, 11th question. It was proudest moment of my life. Fill in the blank with the right article. Option A, option 1 A, option 2 N, option 3 D, option 4 no article. The right answer is option 3 D. The 12th question. Priya standing dash the hall. Uses correct preposition to fill in the blank. Option 1 in, option 2 into, option 3 at, option 4 by. The right answer option 1 in. The 13th question. A variety of article dash placed her. Fill in the blank with the right words and words. The right answer 1 is. 14th question. We have to respect to elders. Choose the correct passive voice. The correct answer is the fourth one. Our elders have to be respected by us. 15th question. An inquiry was being held by the magistrate. Choose the correct active voice. The right answer is 1. The magistrate was holding an inquiry. The next page was opened. Cotton grows in India, America, and fill in the blank with the right article. The right answer is no article. The 12th question divided this apple dash these two girls. Use the correct preposition to fill in the blank. The right answer is to between. Sachin dash for 20 years by the end of the 2013. Fill in the blank with the right option. Had been playing. Sachin had been playing for 20 years by the end of the 2013. The right answer. For the 14th question, put out the lamp. Choose the correct passive voice. Option 2. The right answer. Let the lamp be put out. 15th question, you will be blamed by them. Choose the correct active voice. The right answer option 3, they will be blame you. The next page was open. One who spends very little is a. The right answer is for measure. The 12th question. Mohan talks always. Which of the following words is appropriate? The right answer talkative. Option. The 13th question. He says I am coming. The right answer 3. He says that he coming. The 14th question. Two students are talking. They are stopped talking as soon as their teacher stepped into the class. Which of the following is appropriate sentences? The right answer 1. We broke off our conversation as our teacher came. Our teacher came. She came a saint. Use suitable preposition. The right answer across. Across the right answer. The next page was opened. What is the opposite word for rural? The right answer is urban. The right answer is urban. Your friend has just got married. What would you say to him, her? The right answer, best wishes. Suppose your friend has came to invite you to party on the morning of his birthday. How do you greet him? The right answer is happy birthday. 14th question. Do not beat your finger. Dash nail, it is a dirty. The right answer is option 4, habit. 15th question. Rajesh said, how rich I am. Change into indirect speech. The right answer is the Rajesh exclaimed that he was very rich. The right answer, the Rajesh was very rich. The next question, order of the day means the right answer 1. The condition that prevails at certain the time. The next question, a system of government run by a king or queen or an emperor or empress. The right answer, monarchy. The next question, everyone laughed dash him. Use the suitable preposition. The right answer at. What is the synonym of apprehend? The right answer option 3, arrest. The next question, my friend bought out a new book. Choose one of the sentence which gives the same meaning. The option 1, my friend sold a new book. My friend purchased a new book. My friend revised a new book. My friend published a new book. The right answer, my friend published a new book. Twitter is the cry of swallows. The right answer, swallows. The next question, the old man has heart trouble. Full stop. He is bedridden for a considerable period. One fine morning he lost his breath in your friend asked you how the old man died. What will you say? The right answer, he died of natural causes. The next question, did you meet her last week? The inspector asked the man, changed the indirect speech. The right answer, the inspector asked the man whether he had met her the previous week. The next question, he is a boy, he wants to play. Combine with who? He is a boy who wants to play. The right answer. Option 15, the lorry ran dash the beggar. Use the suitable preposition. The right answer option 3, over. The next page was open. A place where horses are kept. The right answer option 3, stable. The next question, what is the synonym of legume? The right answer, alliance. Grass widow signifies option 1, wife whose husband is buried. The next page was open. What is the correct construction for I fear I may fail? I fear that I may fail. The right answer. The synonym of tame. The domesticated. The right answer. Atheist scientifies a person who believes that there is no God. I am not a grammarian. How do you confirm it? I am not a grammarian, comma, I am a question mark. The next question, no other dancer in the college is a good as Radha. Change to competitive. The right answer, Radha is better than any other dancer in the college. The next page was open. Don't lose patience, thinking will improve any boy. What is the meaning of the underlined word? The right answer is gradually. Synonym of mortal, temporary. The right answer, your friend wants to be borrow your car. You want to know the reason. What will you ask? Why do you want to my car? The picture is a comedy. The underlined word means happy ending. The right answer. The workers working with the contractor are paid. The right answer option 3, wages. The next page was open. This page is last page. The attachment of the property by the sales officer was held null and void by the court. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Not effective. The right answer. Idiom of perpetual. Option 2, intermittent. The next question, synonym of portrait, painting. The right answer. He has become a black sheep in his family. Which of the following sentences expresses the idea of the above sentences? The right answer, he always brings dishonor on his family. I am looking at Rabi's pieces of writing. I am looking for the Raju pieces of writing. Who's the pieces of writing is missing? Ravi or Raju? The right answer, Raju's. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my videos and share your friends. Thank you very much.